Delivering an impactful virtual presentation in the valves industry requires a blend of technical expertise, effective communication skills, and mastery of digital tools. Whether you are presenting a new product, explaining a maintenance procedure, or training a sales team, your goal is not only to share information, but to engage your audience, answer their questions, and leave a lasting impression. In a sector as specialized and complex as valves, where details like specifications, materials, and use cases can make all the difference, success begins with clear, purposeful preparation. Start by understanding your audience. Are you speaking to engineers who want to dive into technical aspects, or decision-makers more interested in cost savings and operational efficiency? Tailoring your content to their level of expertise ensures relevance and keeps your listeners engaged. Structure your narrative logically. Begin with an overview that sets the context, outline objectives, and let your audience know what to expect. This helps frame your presentation and provides a roadmap. Visual aids are essential in the virtual setting, especially when discussing intricate components like valves. Use high-quality images, diagrams, and schematics to illustrate points. Animations or 3D models can be especially effective for demonstrating internal mechanisms, flow dynamics, or points of comparison between valve types. Remember, visuals are there to support your narrative, not to overwhelm or distract. Keep text concise and avoid cluttered slides. Each visual should reinforce your key message. When demonstrating the performance or features of a specific valve, data is your ally. Show performance curves, flow coefficients, operating ranges, and material compatibility tables. Translate technical data into practical implications. For instance, explaining how certain specifications impact energy efficiency, safety, or regulatory compliance in different applications. Real-world examples and case studies resonate strongly. Recount scenarios where your product solved a particular challenge or helped a client achieve measurable improvements. Interactivity is crucial to hold attention in virtual environments. Utilize live polls or Q&A sessions to encourage participation. Pause periodically to address chat questions or incorporate breakout sessions if the format allows. Interactive elements not only keep the audience engaged, but also provide valuable feedback about which topics resonate most. Consider the technical logistics of presenting online. Select a reliable platform that supports screen sharing, chat, and where possible, virtual whiteboarding. Test your equipment in advance, checking audio, video, and internet stability. Always have backup materials and a contingency plan in case of technical issues. Good lighting and a clean, professional background help convey credibility. Your delivery style is just as important as your content. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace, avoiding unnecessary jargon unless you are sure your audience is familiar with the terms. Use inflection and pauses for emphasis, and let your enthusiasm about the valves industry show. A passionate, confident presenter is more likely to inspire trust and interest. Don't overlook the power of storytelling. Bring in narratives about innovation in valve designs, breakthroughs in safety features, or shifts in regulatory standards that stemmed from customer needs. Stories humanize the technical content and make even highly specialized discussions relatable. Finally, conclude with a strong summary. Recap the main points, revisit objectives, and highlight the steps your audience can take next. Whether that's scheduling a follow-up meeting, participating in a demo, or downloading additional resources. After the presentation, prompt feedback to continuously refine your approach and better address your audience's needs. In the constantly evolving valves industry, the ability to communicate complex information efficiently, genuinely, and engagingly is an indispensable skill. With thorough preparation, a clear focus on the audience, and effective use of virtual tools, you can elevate your presentations and drive meaningful connections in the digital space.